Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Benton County, Asante County, southwestern Kennebec County, southern Mille Lacs County, northeastern Sherburne County until 10:45 a.m. At 9:41 a.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 65 miles per hour. This storm was located near Forston, or about 6 miles southwest of Malacca, and moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include Princeton, Cambridge, Santiago, Glendorado, Lewis Lake, Dalpo, Zimmerman, Graston, Bradham, Tanchfield, Grendy, Asante, Bottom. If you are in the path of this storm, prepare immediately for damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour and large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Severe thunderstorms can produce tornadoes with little or no advance warning. Prepare to move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure such as a basement or small interior room if a tornado is spotted.